What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I just made a video, earlier today, and earlier today meaning like 5 minutes ago, but earlier today for you guys meaning like maybe a couple of hours, 3 hours ago. But I just made a video talking about Shiba Inu and the growth and where things are going and all that stuff. But it brought something to my mind, right? The fact that this weekend is probably the most important weekend that we've had in a while. It's extremely important. And you're probably like, why? Why is it important? It doesn't mean that like we're not seeing Shibarium launch this weekend, are we? No, we're not seeing Shibarium launch this weekend. From what we understand, it's going to launch on the 16th, right? I have a countdown and everything. Um, so seeing that and understanding that, typically when you see um, certain news that happens with anything, whether it's in investments in the stock market, cryptocurrency, or whatever, right? Typically, when you see news that affects that overall position, it will have a time period to where people classify as buy the rumor, sell the news. Weekends are very, very important for cryptocurrency because a lot of people have a ton of spare time to research a lot of stuff. Typically, people are researching as they're working and trying to invest at the right times, 4 a.m. or whatever. But the weekend, it's free for a lot of people to really hone in on their investing skills and research it because there's no stock market. You're not worried about that. You're worried about what's happening maybe in the crypto market. And also you have that time frame to where it's a buy the rumor, and if it is going to be sell the news, then it would be somewhere within that 3 day period. So it would be, was it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday? Wednesday is the 16th. And you may see even a bigger build up to them, but this is really the start to that build up. And if we see things that skyrocket over the weekend, then it creates a bigger bump for the beginning of the week. And as we get closer and closer, if it's going to be a sell the news, we'll be able to see what that looks like. So it's very, very important. This is an insanely important weekend, and how much information we get out, how much hype we have for Shibarium, how much hype we have for Shiba Inu, how much hype we have for Bone. It's an insanely important weekend for that. The more hype, the more videos, the more tweets, everything, the more movement that we end up seeing. So, and that's what we're all looking for, right? I'm looking for it. You're looking for it. You have 100 million, you have 200 million, 300 million, a billion coins. We're looking for movement. So let's talk about this. Guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about the links that are in the description for my Kick. If you want to join me live, either on this YouTube channel or on Kick, feel free to go and subscribe or follow on my Kick. I do want to check the calendar because for some reason, I don't know why I'm second guessing if the 16th is on Wednesday. It is on Wednesday, and that's right before I leave for Disney. So hopefully we have some really, really big news that we can follow up on. On the 17th, on the 18th, because I won't be live, I don't believe, during that period, which is Thursday to Thursday. But I think I will, create videos while I'm over there, because if I have time while they're sleeping, I typically will create some content and see what's happening. But anyways, why is it really important? If you don't know what's happening, so it's the launch of Shibarium. Shibarium is this platform, this layer two solution that a lot of people are hype about because it's going to be lower cost for SHIB transactions, Bone transactions, Ethereum transactions, whatever other coins they add on there or tokens they add on there. It'll be lower cost for a lot of things that you're moving back and forth, right? Trading back and forth, swapping and all that stuff. Um, and you'll also see faster speeds, right? So, it's going to happen a lot quicker. So we're hoping that this has a larger impact. And not only that, with the, lower cost, faster transaction times, but also seeing gas fees for Bone, seeing Shiba Inu that has a burn rate, and seeing massive burns that go through. So that's what I'm hoping to see. And that's what we're all hoping to see, honestly. So, um, it's the month of Shibarium. So if we look into the blockchain futuristic futurist conference, that's where we're going to see that, where you see August 16th, 6:30 p.m. I don't know if that's the time, or we'll see Shibarium launch before then, or I'm not 100% sure, but they're saying that during this conference that we will see this happen. And it's always great to have any type of visual to seeing that they're talking about Shibarium, they're talking about Shiba Inu, they're talking about Bone. I don't understand why leash isn't on here as well as like a topic of conversation with this, because it also is included in it. I don't understand why that's not a thing. That could be worth thousands of dollars, but let's table that for another day. So again, this is insanely important because today we're seeing this up about 9%. It got all the way up to, this high of, you know, uh, 4 zeros and 11 rather than 4 zeros, 10. We're almost at 4 zeros and 11, 4 zeros, 10, 91, up 9%. Seeing volume of 600 million, over 600 million is phenomenal. And obviously with Shibarium, we're hoping that we're going to see burns that decrease this supply. But again, we don't have 100% confirmation that it's going to burn a hell of a lot. People say it's going to burn 5 trillion per month, 60 trillion per year, or 100 trillion per year. So I don't know. I'll step back. I have given my thoughts on it, but I hope that does happen as well, because I'm holding Shiba Inu as well. So hopefully it does. But also we've seen the price rise quite a bit for the last month because of Shibarium coming. So really it is like sort of a buy the rumor. Maybe it's a sell the news. I'm not 100%. Maybe it's a something where you'll see a buy the rumor, buy the news. I mean, you never know. Honestly, you don't. So anyways, we're seeing this kind of climb. I did mention this in my last video that we are at an overbought period. But this is definitely an important weekend. I can say, as I look into a lot of different plays and a lot of different things that have the news that's breaking, um, it's all about, what happens beforehand, right? For Litecoin halving, we didn't see really anything, and we didn't see anything during. For, Ethereum, we did see a little bit of a push, but it wasn't the major push that we thought we were going to see. But with something like Shiba Inu that has an insane amount of popularity, and it's not just about, oh, well, the merge is happening and you have people tweeting there and people making videos. Like, I didn't even make a video about the merge. I made a video about the merge, I think, beforehand, and then afterwards I made one, but not like during the day or anything like that. It just wasn't something, as it was popular for the crypto market, but it wasn't popular for views and content and all of that stuff. And when you don't have things that are popular for views or content, it doesn't really push up or propel the whole entire market. But meme coins seem to do that. So Shiba Inu seems to do that with the 1.3 million holders, maybe even getting closer to the 1.4 million holders. I don't know exactly how many they have, but it's 1.32 million holders right now. So seeing that many holders, that has the ability to really pump up the market. So let me know what you think about this. Is it an important weekend for SHIB, or do you feel like it's not an important weekend for SHIB? Like, we have to wait until we get to the 16th, and that will be the important day. Do you believe it will be a buy the rumor, sell the news? Do you believe it will be a buy the rumor, buy the news? Or will we not see any type of hype over the weekend? Does it depend on what's going on in the market everywhere else for SHIB? That's something to think about. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.